impressions are huge. We all worry about them, whether we're going on a first date or we're heading towards a job interview. Hi. And it's unavoidable. No matter how non-judgmental we think we are, we all make judgments about people when we first meet them. The trick is how to deliberately make the impression we want in order to get the result we want. And today, I'm here to help you with that. My name is Sally Sampson, and this is my channel, which is dedicated to making you a more impactful communicator. So, how do you make a lasting first impression? Number one, dress the part. Before you ever open your mouth, people will scan everything about you, from your body language to the appropriateness of what you're wearing. If you show up wearing the wrong thing to a meeting, an event, or even at the gym, that says something and it will draw attention to you before you ever open your mouth. You may be the most qualified person in the room, but if you don't fit into the culture of the place you're going, then you reduce your chances of getting what you want. So be deliberate about what you wear and know what it says about you. Number two, set the other person at ease. At the beginning of an interaction, immediately find a way to build rapport with the other person. Rapport is when you spark a connection with someone, and it's so important because it helps dispel your nerves or any nerves that the other person might have. Rapport may look like this.
You know, I used to have the exact same t-shirt. Where'd you get it from? You know, I've always wanted to go and live a year in Paris. Do you think I could get Lucas Bravo to give me French lessons? I hope they don't make us do burpees. I will not do the work of the devil.
Find something positive and on the personal side to comment or mention, because that will spark a little bit of small talk. I did a video about how to make small talk not bland and engaging a little while ago, which you can check out, by the way. By focusing on the other person and building rapport, you set them at ease, which will help you out enormously in the interaction to follow. Number three, show your interest. If you're going to a job interview, read up on the company and their core values. This will show that you cared enough to do your research and will set you apart from others who've just decided to wing it. Hi! Namaste. I'm here to speak in hushed tones because I know that's your policy and I want to honor that. If you're casually meeting people for the very first time, show up engaged and bring more of yourself to the conversation and create space for them to bring more of themselves. If you want people to be interested in you, you have to be interested in others. Number four, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Learn to let it go. Sometimes in our eagerness to make a good first impression, we may come across a little needy or desperate or sweaty. Not a good look for anyone. So always ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? You fall over, no one talks to you, you fail? At the end of the day, you will likely not die if you don't make a good first impression. So you can turn it around and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? As Tom Bilyeu from Impact Theory says, always adopt the identity of the learner. This will empower you to go into interactions and give it your best shot, and then walk away knowing full well that you did everything that you could, and even if it didn't go as well as planned, you still learned something. When you make mistakes, you know better. And when you know better, you do better. So give it your all and then let it go. And that's how you make a good first impression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and share. You can follow me as always on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, or on Instagram. And visit this link over here so that I can help you become a more impactful communicator. And by the way, if there's anything in the world of communication that you struggle with, message me and let me know, and perhaps I'll be able to do a little video for you and help you out in whatever area it is that you're struggling. And remember, as always, I'm rooting for you.